Welcome to Lingala Institute, lesson 14. Batu mosusu penza. I don't understand some people. Batu bazo zela film, yazo zela publicité. Everyone else is waiting for the film. He is waiting for the commercial. He is waiting for the advertisement. Part 2. Batu mosusu penza. Azana nyongo nanga, afuti nanu te, Alingi adefa lisusu. I don't understand some people. He owes me money. He hasn't paid yet. He wants to borrow again. In Lingala, if you want to make a story interesting, you say Batu mosusu before you say whatever you want to say. Batu mosusu or Batu mosusu penza. Batu mosusu penza. Azana nyongo nanga afuti nanu te Alingi adefa lisusu. Part 3. Na lingi na kende. I want to go. Na lingi na lia. I want to eat. Na lingi na tanga. I want to read or study. Na lingi na kende na zando. I want to go to the market. The word for work is mosala. For practice, please leave a comment and write I want to go to work. Don't worry about mistakes.